Hey guys, Happy New Year. Thank you for watching TopKnot Latina. I know it's been a while since I've posted a video and I'm sorry. The holidays just really were fun and eventful, but they were really hectic. So now that I'm back into a normal schedule again, I'm going to be releasing a lot of videos to you. We recorded a lot before the holidays and we're doing some more. So I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing other than the tutorials, the hair and makeup and interviews. I'm going to be doing unboxing of products that I receive and doing some great giveaways. So for my first box that I received this year, I have a lot of friends, locals, well, not local, but other friends that are bloggers, and they swear by Hairberry, their hair vitamins, and it's supposed to help give you a little bit of a boost, well, your hair a little bit of a boost so it can grow a little bit longer and thicker. And I know it's hard to tell right now because my hair is in a top knot, but I promise I do wear my hair down. Be sure, go to my Instagram, TopKnot Latina, and you'll be able to see other pictures of me with my hair down. So I do want it to get longer and thicker, so hopefully these vitamins will do the trick. So you're supposed to take 2 of these a day, and they also send you this cute little sticker, so I think this is really cute. But I haven't tried it before, so I'm going to try it with you, filming with you right now. So you're going to get an honest 100% reaction of how it tastes. So hoping it tastes good. Okay, it tastes pretty sweet. I have a sweet tooth, so there's a little sour kick to it. Well, it's kind of like Sour Patches, really. So, which I love. But I have an extra bottle. The good news is I'm going to be giving this extra bottle to one of you. So if you want to try these out for free, obviously, and if you want to also see if your hair will grow longer and thicker, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. And in the description of the videos, you will see a link that'll tell you where to go to get extra entries so that you can win this. But it does taste really good, so at least the taste part is definitely approved. So let's see, I'm going to be trying it out and I will give some updates on my Instagram stories. So again, be sure you head to my Instagram, TopKnot Latina, and follow me there. And if you want to enter to win a bottle of these, subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and leave a comment. And in the description of this video, you can head to the link that's going to be on there to see where you can get extra entries. So I hope you all are having a wonderful New Year's, and thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be doing a super simple YouTube video. It's a how-to on how to get this crown braid. It is so